Hi. In this video we will explore two pranayams which has purifying and soothing effect for your nervous system. The first is called Ujjayi Pranayama. It's a glottal breath. So first try to feel this area of your neck. So put your mind there, feel it. And now inhale and exhaling, make hissing sound. So again, inhale and exhaling. So if this is not happening the first time, again, try to feel it. Feel the hole which is there. Make it a little smaller. Contract your throat. And then again. So hope this time it happened. And now we will do exactly the same thing, but with closed mouth through the nose. So inhale. So this was while exhaling, and now we need to make the same thing while inhaling as well. So again, open your mouth and try with open mouth. So inhale and exhale, relax yourself, and again inhale and relax. Good. If it's happening with open mouth, then it will happen also with closed mouth. So we will try now. So inhale with closed mouth. And exhale. Relax. And again inhale. And exhale. Relax. So that was exhale and inhale. Now we will try to connect it with closed mouth. Inhale. So it may happen at the beginning, it won't be so smooth, there can be some jerks, but everything is about practice. So you need to keep doing till that time you will reach certain smoothness. It shouldn't be straining for you as well. So don't push too hard, just play with your breath. Keep contracting your throat area and try to breathe smoothly, nicely, narrowing that hole there and bringing air nicely up and down. So this was Ujjayi Pranayama, which has a purification effect on your nervous system. The next one which we will do has calming effect on your mind and soothing effect on your nervous system. So this pranayama, while you are doing humming bee sounds, sounding something like so what happens, there is a liquid between your skull and between your brains, and while doing that sound, that liquid starts to vibrate, which gives good massage to your brains. So first we will just try to experience what is it about. So place your palms on your head, inhale, and while exhaling, make the sound with me. So feel what is happening in your head and try to do it same level. So no with like nice and smooth. So we will try again. Inhale and with me. Good. If you can feel the vibration, then it's good. We can do the other step. So for that, you need to close your ears so the vibration will become stronger. So close your ears, inhale, exactly same thing. So just remember, stronger you do, better vibrations you get, so more benefits you will get. So that's all. Good healthy nerves. Thank you.